host. Hi, I'm Colt Sebastian Taylor, adventurer, entrepreneur, and amateur handyman. As you can see here down in my adventurer's workshop, I have many different tools that I tinker with, but I can't carry all of these with me, so I have a great thing to show you today. It is called the Wallet Ninja. It is a small, credit card sized, solid steel multi-tool that has 18 different tools that you can use every day and can be a real lifesaver if you're in a pinch. So small it can fit in your wallet, that's why it's called the Wallet Ninja. And today I'm going to show you a few of them in action. As you can see here, a screw has come loose on this board. But the Wallet Ninja has the ability to screw in not only flathead screws, but also Phillips head screws like this one. So instead of looking for the right screwdriver, having to go down to your basement to get it, you can simply just reach into your wallet, grab your Wallet Ninja, and your screw will be in no time at all. The Wallet Ninja can also serve as a box opener or a letter opener. Boxes open with ease with this very handy multi-tool. Not only is this tool handy to have around the house, but it's also handy if you're out camping or tailgating. One of the 18 tools on the Wallet Ninja is a bottle opener, which can come in handy if you don't have one handy. The Wallet Ninja also comes with 6 hex head nut and bolts, sizes 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Also, you'll see here an inches ruler is on one side and centimeters is on the other side. I've only shown you a few of the 18 tools on this multi-tool. The Wallet Ninja is TSA approved and has steel strength, and it fits all in your wallet. It's the must-have thing you need to have with you either at home or if you're camping or just out and about. You will be the go-to guy because you have the Wallet Ninja. Order it today for yourself, for a friend. It makes a really great gift. Handy too. I'm Colt Sebastian Taylor, and I'll see you later. Hiya! Ninja Star. Not one of the 18 tools.